Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading!
Almost there. Dodge. Don't touch me. I can't help it. You are so adorable. Ay, ewan ko sa'yo, Shaolin. Anyway, this is chapter 214. Oh, this guy has a creepy gaze. Your belly has grown bigger. Oh, everyone knows pala na she's pregnant. Huh? Of course. Laki na talaga yan. Of course. There's a little baby inside of me. Happy si Wanwan. She's so pretty. Is that your attic has been empty for a while? Why don't you let me stay there? Sa attic. What does he mean? No! Gusto niyang tumira sa loob ng bahay nila. 1-1. Why? Lagot, galit na naman si Shaolin. He changed his attitude like flipping a book. It's really scary. We have no relation after all. It's not appropriate for you to live there. May anak nga daw kayo sa Little Lotus. I don't like having a stranger living in my house. Stranger? Wow, stranger ka pa rin kahit ilang seeds na yung nakain mo. Take back. Ano kasi sinabi mo din naman kasi na iba yung gusto mo at hindi si Wanwan. Of course. I'm going back now. I'll come visit you another day. Rustling. Mamadaling mag-retreat. Retreat! I'll definitely get what I want. Ayay. Ikaw lang, walang sukuan. Makukuha mo rin siya. Si Sangye nga eh. Katira lang dyan, pero hindi pa rin naman siya totally mate ni Wanwan. He gave up so easily. Peter Potter, Peter Potter, Peter Potter. So it's raining. Black River Tribe, Wild Horse Tribe. Inaano pala nila yung Black River tsaka Wild Horse. How about yung rabbit? Other tribes said that we were afraid to attack the Rock Wolf tribe. Ba't yun naman kasi aatakihin? Wala namang ginagawa sa inyo yun. Clang! Gather the troops. We are going to attack the Rock Mountain. I, Bujin, am the strongest beast in this forest. Anyone who dares to oppose me will die. Wala silang magawa. Ayaw nila. Kasi alam nilang malakas ang Rock Wolf tribe. But Yiwu said we couldn't attack the Rock Wolf tribe for now. She's nothing. Growl. Bayan, ba't ka nananakal? She's just a female. A tool for giving birth. Ay, hindi pala siya ginamitan ng Fox Potion. Inakit lang talaga siya. I am the head of the Black River tribe. No, pinatay niya yung fellow, niya. Grabe talaga to si Bougie na to. Gather the troops now. We're going to attack the Rock Mountain. I'm cutting off Shuang Yun's head today. Yes. Baka ikaw pa maputulan ng ulo, boy. Umandar ka. Noisy, noisy. Ay, they're attacking. Preparing for the battle. Prepare for the battle. This is big news. We are so gonna earn a lot of credits. Run, 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 run. You run, boy. Bilisan mo. Baka mahuli ka. Rock Mountain. Bilis! Chief Shuang Yun! Ngayon natin kung mabilis ba talaga siya. So, anong balita, boy? I have something important to tell you. Ayun. Mabilis naman pala. Ay, hingal na hingal. Bilisan mo! Tell him! Tell him! If it's as important as you said, I will reward you. You're a wise chief. Flattery. Please, 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 please. Here's the thing. Mumbling. Ayun, sinasabi na niya. Gusto naman namin marinig kung ano sinasabi niya. Ano ba yan? Good job. I'll reward you with 100 credits. Keep up the good work. Ay, naku boy. Careful, careful lang. Baka mapahamak ka. Thank you, Chief Shuang Yun. Joining Rock Mountain is the wisest decision I've made. Mutual flattery. Hindi kayo na talagang dalawa. Stamp. So, stamp. So this is chapter 215. Roll. Okay. He's calling the pack. The chief's roar. Chief only roars like this when the enemy attacks. Oh no. Run. Go back to the village. I mean to the fortress. Hurry up and gather. Malaki na ba to? Ruckus. Muttering. We get the message that Bujin was about to attack Rock Mountain. No, they're going to attack Rock Mountain. Bujin from Wild Horse Tribe? How dare he? He cannot leave this place alive. A sudden uproar. We can lay traps on the road. We can foresee this. We can catch him off guard. Oh, sa dami pa naman ng mga mutant plants nyo. Pwede kaya nililipat yun. Kill them all. Roar. Kill them! Nga, papatayin nga nila, di ba? Kaya naman excited masyado. We strike first. Let's kill them. Ano naman kayang opinion ngayon ni Shuang Yun? Pakinggan natin. Charot. Are we really going to strike Wild Horse Tribe first? Makwing and Yiwu are in Wild Horse Tribe too. Let's go together, just to be safe. But we are going to leave one, other females and the children at home. Nga naman, dapat may matira. So who will stay? I'll figure something out. Alam ko na, si Shaoling. Iwan yung Shaoling dyan. Sila magbantay yung yung Feather Tribe. Tapos kayo lahat alis. O, diba? Langgit ko lang yung Feather Tribe eh. You want me to take care of Wanwan and others? Sabi ni si Shaoling nga eh. Siya naman talaga yung suitable. Diba soul beast din siya? Tsaka may firepower pa siya. You are the strongest one. We have to fight Wild Horse Tribe. Ito talaga si Paidi. Pero syempre, yung ilalagay niya dyan, yung malakas na gusto si Wanwan. Na kayang protektahan si Wanwan. They can only rely on you. I agree to help, but you have to promise me one thing. Ala, ano na namang promise yan? Alam ko na yung ganyang tinginan na yan eh. What is it? Ano yan? Ano yon? Let Shuling stay in my attic? Ay, ako, matutupad din talaga yung gusto niya. What I want, I get what I want talaga. I always get what I want. That's what he asked. I'm asking your opinions now. Of course I disagree. He always touches me. He's a shameless rogue. Huwag ka na kasing magreklamo, bebe girl. At kailangan mo ng protection. But if we don't have any male bees to watch over the female and children, everyone will be worried. Worried talaga. Bumigay ka na kasi. I don't want the troops to be distracted. Dapat lang. Wala kang magawa, no? Then, he can stay. Ay, naman pala, papayag ka din naman pala. Char. Alright. At the same time, no, anong at the same time? Anong meron? Yung chief. Okay. Nakikipag-negotiate siguro si Shaoling dito. Let's see their negotiation. You seem pretty happy. Ay, happy si Shaoling kasi nakuha na yung gusto niya. I'm moving. Huh? I'm going to the foot mountain and live in Wanwan's house. Proud na proud. Huh? Gulat na gulat naman yung chief nila. Ayaw maniwala. Hindi ka panipaniwala yung balita mo, boy. Why did she suddenly agree? O, diba? May rason talaga. No one could refuse me. Charot. Kakainis. First, I'm going to move in. And then, may mga plano na sa buhay itong taong to. Talagang pinagplanuhan niya talaga yun eh. Mangyayari. I'll eat her fried seeds. Ay, kakain lang pala ng seeds. Akala ko nung kakawin. Seeds lang pala yung kakainin. I hope the chief won't cause any trouble. Sino ba talaga? Di ba elder siya? Ito yung chief. Dalawa silang chief. Ganun ba yun?
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!